up.
Hello. My sister is beautiful.
It tickles my lips. Dun, 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 dun.
Have to cut this out of
Okay,
this
okay,
one.
okay.
What's up, guys?
Today we're making my little sister into me.
I'm 9 years old. I'm in 4th grade.
While I get this ready.
I love drawing and art. And I love animals.
What's your favorite animal?
Beluga whale.
I'm just gonna go for living animals. That scared me. I just throw myself. One monkey. Monkey. I don't even like monkeys. Okay, gorilla.
Oh, I can blink, right? I look like a gorilla.
I'm gonna go with snow leopard. Yeah, that's my favorite animal.
Hopefully this turns out good.
Oh yeah, what's the best movie you watched recently?
Okay, the best movie I've watched. Every single Hindi movie.
Sinners.
Okay.
Or Don't Breathe. I said Sinners or Don't Breathe.
What's your favorite feature on your face?
I believe my eyes.
Your eyes?
Because I can see you with them. Do you like that? Is that Wiz? And then the main character comes from a family of bullfighters, but he doesn't want to kill bulls.
Mhm.
He wants to play guitar and what?
It's just funny.
Yep. And so yeah, he sang that song to Riz Rap. I love you too much. We call it for. Actually, can we just watch the movie, Etcha? I feel like I'm not doing it any justice. It's really good. Like I like it more than Coco.
I miss fancy pants at Zega.
What? What do you miss the most about me now that I've moved to a different country? Food?
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I mean, if that's right.
Your presence, calming, very nurturing, and caring, but also funny.
Don't cry now.
I wasn't playing on it. Comment if you what?
Comment if you have a little sister.
Aw. Comment. Platzo is so cool. XD. Nothing. Comment your top 3 favorite dinosaurs.
I love you too much.
To heaven's my witness, and this is a fact. I love you too much to live without you loving me back. I know I belong.
I know what I'm gonna look like.
What?
Nothing like you.
What is it?
Wait, why does my armpit look so weird? I'm Superman is tired.
Oh no. Look at me.
I don't know what that is, but yeah.
Okay, wait, don't. No, okay.
I look like a drawing.
Really?
I like it.
It's because your skin is so smooth. Open it and look at me. You have a nice Cupid's bow as well.
What is that? I'm gonna look at that later. I have a Cupid's bow. Look at my lips.
Do you know what a Cupid's bow is?
Yeah, duh. Did you tell me that in the video?
I like cards. That's what I said. Say it in the comments below.
Go like this.
What I said was guess what I said, by the way. I look like my sister. Speed it up. Speed it up.
This does not suit my face at all. No, it doesn't.
Who said that?
Not everything is for everyone.
Yeah, but I didn't do like crazy makeup anywhere.
No, but I'm just saying it doesn't suit my face. Shit my face. Suit.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah. Okay.
Do we? Wait, I feel like we. Wait, let's make the same face.
No, let's intuitively make the same face. Okay, acha.
Okay.
Think really hard. 1,
Okay.
2, 3. Okay, ready? Think really hard about this one. 1, 2, 3.
I don't know. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Then we either look up or left or right.
Okay, so it's
Or
shadow
down.
boxing.
Okay, ready?
Wait, let's move our head.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I joined it.
Oh my god!
I almost fell. I heard that. I was trying to be nonchalant. That was pretty good.
Bye bye.
Oh my god, I've never done that so.
Don't you have to show a muscle or something while you do that?
Teaser, thought I'd never be quite the job you done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties on my mind. I'm working overtime too.
Bye.
I don't really do other people's makeup, so this is gonna be really interesting.
With your heart, like a stone.
Did you put moisturizer on?
No.
Use, oh, you have more. You can use my moisturizer if it's over there.
First step is moisturizer.
Also, I never do makeup on other people, so this is gonna be interesting. Bro, it looks like you have makeup on. It's a big thing.
Okay, I'm done.
Alright. We're gonna start with.
I usually do like concealer.
Interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna do my makeup on you, so yeah. This will be interesting. I'm so scared. And I was like, what? Just look close. Let me see. That's your whole chin. It looks like I have a goatee. That's mine. It looks like I have a goatee. I look like the guy with the toe. It's that time of the day.
That feels so bad.
It's okay, it's okay. I can take it when I need it. Do you understand what I mean? This is definitely some bridal makeup. Stop.
How's up my parts? It feels wet.
Having the time of my life. Days of our life? No, time of our life. Because you only get one. No.
That's all. Only woman did that.
No, trust me. Trust me.
This is lighter than the.
Please don't make me laugh right now. Stop. Funny. Please.
Okay.
Okay. You started it, you nasty girl. Oh, no. I'm not paying you another $10. Okay, that was that look better, I think.
So,
Stop bursting out in laughter. You know I can't help but join. Oh yeah, mama. Okay, browse time. Get your laughs out now. I'm serious.
I don't have any labs.
You think that now, but then you do this and then it comes out. I swear, it's just like when you have to pee. You don't have to pee and then you have to do something and then you have to pee. It's so bad.
It's because you just said that.
Okay, Adam, you're laughing. We're grown. We can. Don't do that. Please don't do that. I'm getting closer. It's you. You were meant to shut up. You can laugh quietly. You're the one who's laughing. I'm laughing quietly. It's not that bad, huh? Movie. I'm gonna eat, or did I eat? Dun 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 dun.